I'm actually a hairdresser for television and film. I heard about Dr. Mohebi from an actor that I was doing. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Who did this? And he's like, this is the guy. So I came here, Dr. Mohebi, and this is a year and a half after the second procedure. Amazing. The results I got, personally, I'm amazed. The hairline he's created is actually better than I used to have, I think. The angle of the hair, he puts them in so they're growing at the right direction. He actually listens to what you say. The whole process, going in, discussing, he takes pictures, we discuss like where the hairlines are, what you need, what he likes, and you come to a really great understanding and a balance. And then the actual day of the surgery, I love. It's like a day of relaxation. He goes, what do you want for lunch? Anything you want. You just relax, they play music. It's a great day. You leave feeling very rested and you know you're gonna look amazing. My advice to anybody who's even thinking about this is do it yesterday. Do it a year ago. Don't wait. It will change your life. I mean, I just feel so much more confident. I can go out without a hat now. Dr. Mohebi and his partners are amazing. I have sent a lot of clients in. All of them are happy, which is so rare to me, especially with what I do. And I've seen like 10 people that he's done. It's amazing. Don't wait.